You like their slider? You ready? On your first good trail ride. Got a good helper. We're gonna adventure up there in the hill. So stand by. This ought to be good. We're gonna go down the driveway. Got our. Alright, we're in some first real mud here. They're sucking on their feet a little bit. Going by this old farmstead. Just letting them sort through life here. Oh boy. Looking through it. Riding on a loose rein, letting them look at all the stuff, and really, for the most part, I'm going to let a horse pick their way through here. I'm not going to fuss on where exactly they walk, because I think they can learn more about where to put their feet by actually making some mistakes. So of course that's all relative. We'll help them with that, but I'm not going to micromanage it. We're going by this old barn that's fallen down here. It's just grown up grapevines and things. Easy, buddy. So doing good. First off road in here. Oh, there's a few deer straight up ahead. He sees them. So we can zoom in. See the white tails over top of the doggies' backs. Oh boy, just letting him do some life. Just farm trash, probably an old refrigerator, old machinery, all that stuff. Okay. So Slider's just a little bit nervous about it. So I'm gonna keep him facing it, and then he sees deer deer way up at the top. So he's got a lot going on right now. We're just letting him process through, all on a loose rein. Okay. We know he's good. He goes to try and get some grass. So past the machinery now, moving on forward. All kinds of stimulus all around, right? And as I say, all those things, deer, machinery, anything you're coming across is a possible opportunity to get those horses better. So we're gonna explore. In fact, here in just a second, we're gonna come up on a little bit of a ditchy water crossing. Let's see how this goes. It's already been through a lot of water and mud. It's actually even raining a little bit right now, so just gonna keep his head pointed towards it. A little bit of right rein. We'll let him put his head down, let him smell it, we'll let him paw at it if he needs to. We'll bring in our buddy horse, help with his confidence. Good boy, good boy. I just dropped my phone, but he did good. Still moving on here. He's getting used to the doggies, and of course he sees the dogs at home. Oh, there's a trap. All right, we'll go. I will keep going here. I did not ask for that. He's a little bit energetic, so I'm sure not going to beat him up for it. So he's stepping right out, leaving the older horse. Sorry, Haley. Didn't mean to insult your horse. The older horse, it'd be in the dust if it wasn't muddy. But love it. Love the low head. Riding him totally on a loose rein. But I'm going to use this grade. I love using grades to get uphill grade to get those horses moving their feet out. So go ahead, Haley. We'll see if we're at least looking for a trot. Even better if we can get a low. Keep it going there, girlie. We're lazy today. Go ahead, Hayes. Keep going. We're going to pass you a trot. Not energetic. Yeah. This is. He thought about slowing down. Ask him to pick it up again. There. He's got to step over some sticks. That one made him a little nervous. So he's building some lung capacity. At the same time, he's learning how to carry a rider and going up a hill. And there's seem to be so much more willing. There's a bunch of deer up there too. She sees them. Oh, and turkeys? Oh yeah, look at all the turkeys. They're like not moving too much. So there's the turkeys. Yeah, they see them, little black dots there. All right. I think you're dying, little buddy. Doing great. Trying to use the terrain so they don't have to be kicking and kicking and kicking these horses. That's just no good. So go. Come on, buddy. There it is. All right, first little loop strides. Stay out of. Oh boy, now we're getting those feet. If we don't have their feet moving out, we're not willing to certainly walk, but more trot and even all that loping. And we sure can't direct it, right? So we got to get the motion first. Then we direct it. Ooh, it's windy on top of the hill. We are. There's home. Right back there in the middle. And we're about 200 feet higher in elevation now. Does that look like home? I'm not sure, yeah. But dog scared you, buddy? Oh my. This is exactly why I love bringing dogs out right from the start, because these horses can figure out that there's going to be dogs moving around, right? And it's just normal, and it's fine, and it's an opportunity. Every time they hear the brush moving and things, I want them to assume that it's dogs, not a bear or a monster or whatever, right? So this is one of my favorite spots up here. Uh-oh. Just dropped my glove. That scare you a little bit, buddy. That scare you a little. This is another opportunity. I sure didn't want to drop my glove. Pull off of my Macati here. But these things happen, right? So I need that horse to just... It's all right, huh, buddy? What do you think, Major? You should have picked it up and thrown it to me. You're right. You pick it up and eat it. All right. Back on it, right, Haley? Isle Silver. Away. All right, going back down the hill. It's starting to rain a little bit more. So, it's starting to look like saggy horses. But, doing awesome. Alright, we're getting closer, coming down through the meadows. You guys see we're a little bit more on the same plane home, but going back on the same trail we came out on, which easy, buddy. Normally, my theory is in life never go on the same trail the same day, twice. But all things considered, this was going to set him up best. So, and it's starting to storm more. Wind's blowing. So it's doing awesome. Figuring out life. Well, it's blowing really hard in our faces, and see here, buddy, dog up behind him. And there's a culvert, water running underneath. Looking at it a little. Stay off the fresh new gravel here. There's some rocks in it. Is a car coming? You have a what? Alright, see there's a car coming back there. And a couple away. Go back, trotting here.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. Oh, good boy. Loose rein. Doggies beside us, wind in our face. Rain. This is how you get them better. A lot of intentionality, a lot of work. Yeah. Oh my goodness, you talking to your buddy? Right there's the barn. He knows it. Sure not gonna beat him up for it. Just not make it a big deal. Alright, back in the driveway. Made it, Slider. Almost all the way. 700 feet more, buddy. Doing great. Carrying that head nice and low. It's totally relaxed. Loose rein. And it's a good reminder, guys. This is why I start them up this way. Loose rein all the time. If I need to adjust, if they get nervous, excited, we're going to do our flex and bend circles, which we've got some videos out on that, more coming. But with the theory, pulling on 2 reins feeds anxiety. 1 rein gives it somewhere to go. And we're doing the Macarena in front of me. Awesome. We're dancing. But at any rate, if we can't walk our horses, if we can't trot our horses and lope our horses all on a loose rein, we'll never truly trust that horse. And I believe it was Buck who coined that statement, and it is so true. It's a great job there, Slider. It's our greeting committee. Great job, buddy. Great job. Made it back. He's brought back a better horse than we took out, right? And that's the whole goal of any time we're doing anything with horses. Just want to bring back a better horse than we brought out. So, great job, buddy. Thanks for that first trail ride. Appreciate it.